What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Long Beach, California. It is the Grand Prix of Long Beach weekend. It's actually Sunday, so it's actually Long Beach. It's the Grand Prix of Long Beach race day. I'm pretty sure the Nike outlet is open, so let's go check it out. Maybe we'll check out some of the Grand Prix as well. Got plenty of food stands already. We're not even in the race area yet. We're just walking to the Nike outlets. Of course, I got sales people.
Good, how are you?
So that is the entry into the Grand Prix. I actually do have tickets, so we're gonna go in a minute. But yeah, Nike is open. They are open. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. And then to the Grand Prix. Never seen this place this empty. This is crazy. Crazy. We are checking the end caps, seeing if they got anything crazy. Not seeing much. All right, do got plenty of people searching. Great catch, man. I saw that with the lefty too. With the lefty, I saw. Do got 30% off. The hash wall as usual, or the new usual. Polka dot Air Max 90s. Polka dot Air Max 90s going for $150 retail price. That's size 10. Alpha Fly next percent. This is size 8.5 going for $220. What is this? The Street Gatos. These are indoor soccer shoes. I actually like the look of these. Super sleek. $85. You do get that 30 off. Okay. Tons of grip on the bottom. Kyrie Low 4s go for $75. This is 11.5. Those nursing shoes, we've seen these for hella cheap. $100. That's the most we've seen those actually. Got some Zoom X Vaporfly next percent's going for $200. Nike by Peters. Some Pegasus 38s. These are going for $140. Alpha Fly next percent's going for $220. That's a size 12. Air Max Zyphers. These are the crazy 720 lookalikes going for $140. These normally were $1. Damn, size 13s, 14s, really not much. Usually they have till 12s. Then they usually have 13, 14, 15s over here, but no, not much today. Not much today. Smaller sizes, 9 and below. Probably 9.5 below. I do got these Air Max 90s. This is the one, has some decent material. The suede, the leather kind of is Jordan 1 mid-esque, but the suede is super nice. Color's interesting, $130 for those. That's a size 9. Right next to that, size 9 Kyrie Infinities. Be able to get these for 30% off. That's what's up, because these just came out. They just made it here at least, because they've been out in Europe and stuff, right? Do got SB iShod wears, his signature shoes, $100. Daybreaks, these are 8.5. Got some UNCs, Pegasus 38 UNCs, like an obsidian colorway. Okay. Got some blazers. I've never seen these, like a basketball texture to them. Okay. 9.5 retail though. But thanks to this, when I do say retail, especially on the clearance wall, obviously it is not retail, it is 30% off. That's fire. What is these? The Vomero 16s going for $100. These are normally $150. Damn, so you get these for $70. That's a really good deal. Got these Joyride Envy. I don't know, these are terrible. But yeah, these are going for $90. Super Reps right here, size 8 going for $80. Air Max 2090s going for $130. Soldier 14s going for $120. Immortalities, these are the Giannis budget line, go for $70. Get that extra discount. That's a hell of a deal on those. Pretty mild trip, not the craziest. Apparently he's found a bunch of heat, but not much today. Not that I've seen. I do plan to walk a ton today. I think I have to walk a mile to our seats at the race. Man, probably gonna walk 3-4 miles today. So yeah, I did throw on Pegasus Turbos, one of my favorite, most comfy sneaker of all time. Zoom X does have React, super dope. And then I guess I'm a Ninja all black today. All right, we are gonna check out the aisles. Starting off with the Air Max 2017s go for $165. Got the charcoal looking ones go for $140. Oh, GT or Phantom GT Pro cleats, soccer cleats, normally $130, down to freaking $35. That's not bad at all. $95 off. Wow. Yeah, we're not even gonna cover that. React 270s if people are still into these. Metcon 6s. I'm a huge fan of this colorway. Black, white, gray, can't go wrong with that. Got some blazer mids going for a little more than I want to pay. Same with those. Okay. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Seen every colorway of these at every outlet. Yep, all three of them. Do got the Crater Impacts. Got some blazer cords. This is the canvas version. Hydros. Hydro 6 is barely any sizes left. We got 7 to 13, just a ton of sizes in like missing in between. Witness 5s, couple of those colorways. Soldier 14s, PG 5s. I think got some basketball sneakers here. Another one of those. The Immortalities we saw earlier, you get 30% off if you can find it in the clearance section though. And I think that's pretty much about it, yo. All this generic stuff and more generic stuff. Actually, oh, okay. Regular price for this though, the Invincible Run Flyknits, these are actually really dope. It does have Zoom X. Got Zoom X on these too, but regular price, and then $130 for those. That's like a little more than most other running places or most other outlets. Check out a little bit of apparel, and then we're gonna wrap it up because I need to go watch the races. They do start soon. Super Bowl jerseys normally $170 down to $90. Just generic, and it says Super Bowl. That is a medium right there. Got a few of them. Pretty good price, but just kind of cheesy. It just says Super Bowl. You do get an extra 30% off. So if you like cheesy stuff, like, you know, that might be worth it. I'm all talking trash. That's just not my flavor. Do got Gonzaga, a hoodie. It's like a tech fleece hoodie, dry fit hoodie. My bad. Normally 65 down to 40. You do get that extra 30 off. It's a medium. USA t-shirts. This is a double XL, going for $12. So you got a Phoenix jersey. Ooh, Devin Booker jersey. Down to 90. You get that 30 off on top of that. It's a small though. Got some yoga, men's yoga, or boys yoga pants. I was like, what the hell? $30 for those. I guess they do got, oh, I guess it's a kid section. Okay. All right, nothing too crazy, which is expected because I don't know. Why would they have a bunch of stuff when there's hundreds of people out there, thousands of people out there for the races? Kind of interesting. Okay. Oh, I'm tripping. So they did bring back this little heat section. It is 30% off this time because it wasn't 30% off before. That is fire. To get 30% off Vapor Max, that's what's up. And these are all the 2021 Flyknit versions. So that's what's up. The Alpha Fly Next percent, these are down to $220. Get that 30% off. This one as well. Okay. If you buy it here, usually you get full box. And I'm jealous because I paid full price for mine. And I bet you this is a size, what's this size? No, this is size 9. Okay, not my size. All right. That makes me happy because I already paid full price. And another pair of Vapor Max. And then these super small Nike Dunk grade school. Okay. Dang, so I think I did that again, man. I almost walked by again, dude. That's the second time I've come here and I just walked past this and didn't notice it till the end. All right, let's wrap it up. Time to go watch some races. I did forget to get the start of the race for y'all, but man, these fools is going fast. It's crazy. Ran out of gas. He's out of gas. They have to push him. Those pit guys are extra tired after pushing, and then they have to change all the tires. Oh, there's something wrong with that car. Dang it, that sucks. These are actually more fun than the other races. Look. Little free action before we leave. I've never heard a Porsche be that loud. What the hell, dude?
I can't hear you.
What the hell? Let's get out of here, dude. Oh, look at this guy. Why is he so cool? 5 o'clock. Still got some breakfast left from, what, 10 a.m.? Should I do it? Should I not? Should I do it? Should I? Should I? I don't know. Let me look. Huh. I think it looks good.